Okay, in this video, what I want to show you are some of the kits that we use in this office. There are dental implant kits, or bone grafting kits, sinus lift kits, mini sinus lift kits, and so forth. So let's go through some of them so you can recognize them and be able to tell which ones they are. So the first kit is probably one of the most commonly used kits that I use is this. This is the Hahn implant kit. I use this both to place Nobel Active implants as well as Hahn implants. So either one I can utilize. Now, if I'm placing a 7.0 Hahn implant, this is the only kit that I can utilize to actually place that kit, place that type of implant. So this is kind of the workhorse in our office. This is a Hahn implant kit. It's got everything that I need to place the implant pretty much. And we can go deeper into exactly what's in there in a different video. The next kit is the Nobel Active kit. So this is kind of similar, but it's you can see it's red and it's got drill bits right on the side over here, and it's labeled LVOSIC Nobel Active. So this is what I utilize in some cases to place the Nobel Active implants in particular. Don't really use this for the Hahn implants anymore. So if I'm placing a Nobel Active implant, you'll either give me the Hahn implant kit, or I'll tell you I want the Nobel Active kit for this particular implant. Then we also do guided surgery in this office. So guided surgery is when a dental implant guide is fabricated either by us or by a company, and then we utilize that guide in the patient's mouth while we're placing the implant. In order to place an implant with a guide, typically you have to have a guided surgery kit. It's made up a little bit differently than the typical dental implant surgical kit. So this is a Blue Sky Bio guided surgery kit. So if I'm placing a guided implant, in some cases I'll let you know I want the Blue Sky Bio guided surgery kit. There is also a Hahn guided surgery kit. So this is the Hahn guided surgery kit. You can see it's bigger than the regular Hahn surgery kit, and it's got more kind of pieces in it. Now sometimes, even though I'm not using the entire kit, I might like one or two things in this kit for a particular surgery. So I may ask for the Hahn guided surgery kit, even though I'm not going to be drilling and doing everything else with it, but I like a couple of tissue punches or some other things in this kit. So you should be able to visually recognize that this is the Hahn guided surgery kit. Next is a mini sinus lift or an internal sinus lift kit. And this is the Blue Sky Bio sinus lift kit. And so I'll utilize this when I'm trying to do an internal sinus lift. And it's a little bit different than another procedure of doing an internal sinus lift. So here, you should be able to, again, visually recognize this as the Blue Sky Bio sinus lift kit. This is a smaller kit that I use very often, and this is called the DensaBurs or the VersaBurs. This is utilized in soft bone when we are trying to kind of densify the bone, or osteodensification. And so this is the DensaBurs. You can see kind of what they look like. It says Densa down there. You can read that. And this is the DensaBurs, which I'll utilize on most implant cases. So the DensaBurs. When I'm doing a guided bone regeneration or a GBR procedure, I'm going to utilize this master pin control kit. Once we open this, it'll have little pins in there. It'll have a special holder that you utilize to hold the pins, and then utilizing a mallet to actually place the pins into the proper position. So this is the master pin control kit, or I just call it the GBR pin kit. This is what I'll utilize for that. When I'm using a doing a traditional sinus lift, I'm going to need these special elevators. These are called my sinus lift elevators, and they have very special kind of endings to them that have special curvatures to allow me to lift up that sinus membrane without damaging it. So this is the traditional sinus lift kit. Or sinus lift elevators is the other thing that I utilize it, or call it. I can also utilize this for other procedures as well. And so if I ask for the sinus lift kit, this is what I'm looking for. And those are all of the main kits that we utilize in this office for implant placement, bone grafting, sinus lifts, and so forth. So you should be able to recognize exactly what each kit looks like just by looking at it.